Welcome to the featured car of the day. And today's featured car is a beauty. It's a 1970 Ford Torino GT convertible with the 351 V8 engine, 5.8 liter. This one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night. And the sun was setting, but it captured the color really nice. It was a great looking car. Always liked the hideaway headlights that these cars had, and which was available on the Torino Brougham as well as the GT car. And these are fairly rare. This is actually the only one that I've recorded in the last 5 years. As far as production numbers go, in 1970, Ford sold approximately 2 million cars. And as far as Torinos, they sold 230,000 Torinos, all different models combined. This particular car, the GT convertible, they sold 3,939. And for the Cobra, they sold 7,675 of those. And that gives you an idea of the scarcity of the cars. Out of the 230,000 made, the numbers are that low. So that's why they're getting harder and harder to find. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.